What is Metaverse? What is the scope of Metaverse application? Should we invest in Metaverse? Although the concept of Metaverse has only recently appeared in our lives widely, the term Metaverse has not appeared recently. Metaverse first emerged from a 1992 science fiction novel, Snow Crash, by Neal Stephenson. In this novel, Metaverse represents a virtual world. Once anyone enters the Metaverse, they can use their virtual identity to become whatever they want. Since the beginning of the COVID-19 epidemic, people have been forced to stay at home and move work, consumption, entertainment and other activities on the internet. The background of this era made the concept of Metaverse popular, and after Facebook changed its name to Meta recently, Metaverse ushered in the most heated discussion ever. With the gradual maturity of the hardware development of virtual reality and augmented reality, the speed of internet access, the greatly improved computing power, and the endorsement of major technology manufacturers, people gradually believe and realize that we can move between different devices through a virtual environment. Metaverse applications are not limited to hardware industries such as virtual reality and augmented reality, but artificial intelligence, foundry, social platforms, games, and finance will all play key roles. TrendForce, a market research organization, pointed out that the Metaverse issue once again drove the popularity of augmented reality and virtual reality, and the COVID-19 epidemic has promoted digital transformation, and it has also increased the popularity of augmented reality and virtual reality in remote interactive applications, which will attract more manufacturers and products have stepped into related fields. TrendForce observes that in the pursuit of a more realistic virtual world, in addition to the development of the hardware specifications of the augmented reality and virtual reality headsets, it will also extend the development of hand and limb tracking sensors, controllers or wearable devices. The tactile feedback, even the acoustic function on the headset. Meta also announced that it will release a new virtual reality glasses in 2022, Project Cambria. The virtual reality glasses also have sensors that can sense the user's eyes and facial expressions, allowing users to have realistic expression changes in Metaverse. Through Meta's Horizon Home, as long as you wear virtual reality glasses, you can watch videos and play games with your friends. In Metaverse, the most direct application that extends from the infrastructure is NFT. NFT technology can be combined with artificial intelligence to create a unique player character, but in addition to player characters, NFT can also be used to create any object in the game world, such as houses, pets, etc., and each object can be packaged through blockchain technology sold as a smart contract. The implication is that houses in the virtual world can also have a publicly certified property structure like houses in the real world. The process of buying and selling is carried out with blockchain technology and cryptocurrency, and the virtual world and the real world the interval will become less and less obvious. Metaverse infrastructure is inseparable from the blockchain. In order for Metaverse to have sufficient computing power, its infrastructure must use marginal computing and decentralized networks. The above two technologies are inseparable from the blockchain. This means that even if the Metaverse development company goes bankrupt, Metaverse can still use marginal computing. This concept is similar to Bitcoin. In other words, as long as there is a Bitcoin mining machine connected to it, Bitcoin can be operated. In theory, There is no need for a huge Bitcoin mining machine group. If you want to invest in Metaverse, you can start with stocks and ETF related to Metaverse. 1. Roblox, the first Metaverse concept stock. Roblox, known as the first stock of Metaverse, will be listed directly on the New York Stock Exchange on March 10, 2021. Roblox positions itself as an experience platform. Although there are many games on the Roblox platform, what Roblox really provides is a platform that allows everyone to use avatar to socialize. As a Roblox user, you can be a player and play games developed by other players, or you can develop your own games for others to play, and get a 24.5% share. In the game you develop, the economic model and paid content can be determined by yourself. When other players consume in your game, you can get ROBU through profit sharing. There are two main profit channels for Roblox. One is Roblox through selling points, which can be used to purchase game props, promote self-built games, rent private servers and other services. The other is Roblox, a membership service that provides transaction functions and various discounts. Thanks to the substantial increase in the number of users, Roblox's revenue in the first 9 months of 2020 reached $590 million, an increase of approximately 68% from the $350 million in the same period last year. Roblox is not overly optimistic about the prospects, and admitted in the prospectus that they do not believe that such a high rate of growth can be sustained for a long time, and expects that revenue growth will slow down in the next period of time. 2. Media ETF. The world's first Metaverse ETF is launched by Roundhill Investment on June 30, 2021. This ETF is called Roundhill Bull Metaverse ETF. The tracking index of Media ETF is the Bull Metaverse Index, and it is also the first index to track the performance of Metaverse. Metaverse is the next generation of networks. Experts predict that Metaverse's economy will one day be larger than the physical world. Although Metaverse is to be truly realized, it still needs the improvement of various technologies and equipment to be able to flourish. However, it is conceivable that Metaverse will indeed be the direction of future development.